So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the boot, you can see that we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. And then underneath this tray section, a space saver spare wheel. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 13,788. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that. That's the driving data menu that we're on at the moment. So plenty of bits of fuel economy, trip computer information. There are other menus available as well. So assist systems, navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle status, and then back round to where we started. And to go through those, you just use the buttons over here. We've also got phone controls and stereo controls over here. Stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control. And then this button in the middle just here. Hit that button. Once you set cruise control, and this car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front. It will both speed up and slow down according to the car in front speed. We've done a video showing how that works that you can see on our website and on our YouTube channel. Over in the center, we have the radio for the car. So you've got, obviously, the radio, FM, AM and DAB radio available to you. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. There's plenty of ways to listen to that, and they are being shown on the screen now. And they include Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls, you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. This car's also got satellite navigation, and again, we've done a video showing how that works that you can find on our website and YouTube channel. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can determine the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set over on this dial here. Of course, that's on at the minute, and back off again with our rear heated screen, and you can turn the whole system off entirely from here. This section will open up to give you some storage. And if I move the camera around, you can see there that we've got USB and auxiliary inputs as well. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. To the left of that, we can turn the stop and start off. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which will save you fuel. That system's off at the moment. You can turn the parking sensors on and off from as well. And this button will change the driving setup of the car. So you can put it into eco, normal, sport, or individual. And under individual, they are all the things you can customize. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.